What is going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a fantastic week. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Black Apino the Apple Guy, and today I finally got my Airtags. I did pre-order these. As you can see, I did pre-order these the day that you were able to pre-order. I think it was like on the 24th or something like that. And I also bought a case. This one is from Belkin. Now I also ordered another case from D Brand, but unfortunately I won't be seeing that one till the end of June, which is kind of funny because I actually got this one today, and that one I get like in a month from now. So it's a little bit weird as to why that is, but it's whatever. And so I'm going to be doing an unboxing of it, and I'm just going to kind of show the differences between the AirTag and what it's replacing, which is this. This is, oops, this is my tile. Now I've had tiles for I don't know, 3-4 years. Plus I started off with the tile mate, the white one, the thick one, and then just kind of gradually bought new ones as time passed by. This one being my newest one. This one actually comes with the ability to swap out the battery, which is, I believe, the whole reason why they went to this style, because a lot of people who were buying tiles didn't want to have to replace them every year because the battery died out. That's like $30, $40 per tile. This way, all you have to do is simply just pull out the battery case, pop in a new battery, and then that's it. So I will be doing a kind of a comparison between the two, between this tile and my AirTags, just kind of basically showing the differences between the two, and at least some pros and some cons of them. So what we're going to do is we're going to actually pop this open. I'm just going to show you what this looks like. So as with all Apple, Apple products, you get them in this cool little case, obviously, and you get some cool, guffs, and typically stuff that you normally would get with any Apple stuff. Your warranty, limited warranty stuff. This would be your regulatory compliance, warranty, regulatory compliance stuff, and then you get safety and handling. So basically, it's just showing you how to handle this thing. Don't be an idiot. Which if you own anything Apple wise, you should already know how to handle it. And here is, as you can see, the little tag thing itself. It's actually kind of cool because it reminds me of the AirPods, not the AirPods, but the HomePod, or not HomePods, but the EarPods. When you actually bought those, they kind of came with something similar to this. So I'm just going to pop this open, or at least flip it open and reveal it to you. So as you can see, that is what it looks like. So in comparison, that is the tile. So it is significantly smaller than the tile. As you can see, the tile actually covers it. So in terms of size-wise, yeah, it's actually pretty small. But that is why I bought one of these, because for some reason Apple, in its wisdom, decided to make you buy something separate on top of that, because that's how Apple is. It wouldn't be Apple without that. That's one reason why I like the tile, is because it's already built in like that. So you've already got that you can already add to your keychain. So we're just going to pop this open, or at least figure out how to. And we're not going to put this near my iPhone yet, because I am not looking to actually add it to it just quite yet. I just want to show you what it looks like. So this is the AirTag, as you can see there. This is the tile. So as you can see, they are about almost the same size, I suppose you could say. It's hard to say. They're actually almost the same size, not necessarily the same size. The AirTag is just a little bit smaller, but I did actually personalize mine, because if you order the AirTags, you do get to pre-order. You get to add a free engraving on them, which is kind of cool because I'm not one for engraving stuff, but I did mine with my initials right there, as you can see. So, and you can do them with like emojis, or pretty much anything you want to put on there. I really want to put Black Apino on there, but unfortunately that's more than 3 letters or 4 letters, so couldn't do that. So that's basically how that works. So what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to actually pair this to your Apple Watch, or I'm sorry, to your iPhone. So as you can see, there's my iPhone. This is the Apple tag. That is the back. That is the front. So the Apple tag, the Apple logo will always be front. So you simply just put it next to it. Then what you're supposed to do, I guess, is open up the Find My iPhone. So here's my iPhone. Here's the Apple tag. I'm going to remove the little plastic stuff off from it, and then we will pair these together. So what I will do, as you can see, and as you can see right there, Airtag, it will show it. You simply just tap on connect, and then you can name the Airtag whatever you want. I just name it for keys because that's what I'm using it for keys. It will set up. And then, as you can see, you can simply just follow the instructions, directions and maps. Play sound when your AirTag is playing by sound in your phone. Find with Siri, just say, "Hey Siri, where are my keys?" and voila. So view and find my app. So you have two different screens. So you have one for devices, and then you have one for Find My Items. So your items will be basically if you buy another AirTag and you put it in, like, say, your backpack or your luggage or some other form of item, then you would simply just add that to that. But since it's going to be on my keys, I'm not worried about that. And that is pretty much it. So I'm going to thank everybody for watching this video. This video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give me a thumbs up. And as always, please feel free to browse my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.